We are pleased to show you the 2018 BMW X1. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV. Slightly smaller than the X3, the X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, power liftgate, navigation system, Bluetooth, panoramic moonroof, dual airbags, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.